Dear students, welcome to today's class. Yesterday I have explained some problems which were given in previous years JEE mains examinations like that. And today also I am going to explain some problems from the chapter functions. Okay now? So without wasting your valuable time, I am going to explain these problems. Okay now? So let us see the first problem. A function f of x is given by f of x is equal to 5 power x upon 5 power x plus 5. Then the sum of the series f of 1 by 20 plus f of 2 upon 20 plus f of 3 upon 20 so on plus f of 39 upon 20. Okay now? Right. How to do this problem? So this is what I asked in 2021. So if you want to do this type of problems, you should know one result, must and should. The result is if f of x is equal to a power x upon a power x plus a, then this implies f of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 1. This result you have to learn must and should, otherwise this is somewhat difficult to do this problem. That means if your function is of the form a power x upon a power x plus a, then f of x plus f of 2 minus x value is 1. Understand? Right. You can prove it. So a power x f of 2 minus x, in place of x 2 minus x, you simplify it, after cancellation you will get 1. Okay now, right. So your function is also of the same type. F of x is equal to 5 power x by a power x plus a, same type. So let us see that problem. Okay now, right. Your function is also of the same type. Right. Now what I am going to do here, so if this is f of 1 by 20 plus f of 2 by 20 plus f of 3 by 20 so on f of 39 by 20, no, I will group the terms. This type of problems, majority of the problems, if you see that first term you match with the second term, last term, second term last but one term, third term last but second term, like that you attach that, the problem will be over. See here, f of 1 by 20 plus f of 39 by 20. So you attach these two terms. Okay now, right. See here also f of 2 by 20 plus f of, what is the last but one term? 38 by 20 plus so on, one term will be left over. If you observe here, 1, 2, 3 up to 19 will be there. One and only term will be left over, that is f 20 by 20. Why? Because 20 is the middle term. Total 39 terms are there. For this side 19 terms, that side 19 terms, middle term is 20th term. That is the thing. Observe here, can I able to write down like this? See here, this is a f of 1 by 20 plus f of 2 minus 1 by 20. Can I write it as? Yes, 2 2s are 40, 40 minus 1, 39, right. This can I write down f of 2 by 20 plus f of 2 minus 2 by 20, can I write it as? Right. 2 20s are 40, 40 minus 2. So on, last and one term is f of 1. Now if you observe, is both terms are same, this and this is same, f of x plus f of 2 minus x, f of x plus f of 2 minus x, is it not that? What is the value of this? 1. What is the value of this? 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. How many ones will be there? 19 1 will be there. So see here, total 39 terms, middle term is 20th term. This is 19 terms, that side 19 terms, that is 38, 38 plus 1, 39. Okay na? So that means 1 plus so on plus 1. So there are 19 terms plus f of 1. f of 1 means here you substitute here 5 power 1 5 by 5 plus 5 10. Understand? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus how many ones are there? 19 ones are there. Therefore, that is equal to 19 plus 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are 1 by 2. 39. The 19 plus 1 by 2 is equal to how much? 38. 39 by 2. 39 by 2. So 39 by 2 is your correct answer. So to do this problem, so this type of results are there. You write down all these results in a paper. You write all these results in a notebook. You write all these, wherever you come across while doing this chapter functions, wherever you come across this type of results, I already told 7 or 8 results. In that results, you add this also. You write on the paper. You always remember that, go through those results, definitely you will get idea. So without knowing this result, we cannot do that problem, okay na? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. So it was asked in 2020, so very easy problem. Suppose that a function f from R to R satisfies f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to R. F of 1 is equal to 3 and sigma I runs from n, f of y is equal to 363. Then what is the value of n, he is asking. See here, whenever you have seen such a type of functional equation, so immediately what is the solution of this function? A power x. That's all. So a power x plus y is equal to a power x into a power y. So this is the solution of this functional equation. Now our aim is to find out a. For this, what is the given? F of 1 is equal to 3. That is, f of 1 is equal to a power 1 is equal to 3. This implies a is equal to 3. So what is your function? F of x is equal to 3 power x. This is your required function. Now one more thing is given, sigma I runs from 1 to n, f of y is equal to 363. That means I runs from 1 to n means what? F of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3. That means, so f of 1 plus f of 2 plus so on, f of n is equal to 363. F of 1 means what? 3 power 1. F of 2 means 3 square, 3 cube, so on, 3 power n is equal to 363. Clearly, the left hand side part is a geometric progression with the first term 3, common ratio 3. So therefore, 3 into 3 power n minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 363. So okay, 3 minus 1 is to 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 ones are. So 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 2, 242. So 3 power n is equal to 243. Therefore, n is equal to 5. So very easy problem. The only thing is you have to remember is, so whenever such a type of function is given, so your function is f of x is equal to a power x. Okay. So I hope the very easy problem, everybody can answer this question. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to third problem. The inverse of the function f of x is equal to 8 power 2x minus 8 power minus 2x upon 8 power 2x plus 8 power minus 2x, where x belongs to minus 1, 2. So very direct problem. So if one function is given, you have to find out its inverse. Okay now. But here try to understand here, it is a competitive examination question. Directly you have to find out the inverse. No need to check whether it is a 1 function or onto function. So since it is a bijection, then only they are directly asking directly inverse. Okay now. So to find out the inverse function, we have a general procedure. So let the function f of x is equal to y. Afterwards, we will write x as a subject. Afterwards, we will change it. Okay. So first of all, the given function, it is there. No. This I will write down in a different way. So 8 power 2x. No, I will divide each term with 8 power 2x. Now then it will become f of x is equal to, otherwise multiply the numerator and denominator with 8 power 2x. So that will become 8 power 4x minus 1 by 8 power 4x plus 1. So what I am doing is multiply the numerator and denominator with 8 power 2x. Otherwise 8 power 2x is equal to 1 upon 8 power 2x. After LCM also you can take. So you call it as y. Okay now, right. So for our convenience sake, consider this as a t. Let us take it as a t. Okay, na? Right. Now this problem is it will become like this. So this is a t minus 1 by t plus 1 is equal to y. So this is equal to ty plus y. So minus t plus 1 is equal to 0. From this take t common outside. So if you take t common outside, y minus 1, this if you go to minus y minus 1. So this is a t is equal to 1 plus y by, so this is y minus 1 become 1 minus y. Okay, so I multiplied with the minus 1. So now, but what is our t? What is our t? T is nothing but 8 power 4x is equal to 1 plus y by 1 minus y. So the problem is not over. So from this you can easily say that, so you can apply the logarithms on both sides. So this is 4x is equal to log of 1 plus y upon 1 minus y to the base 8. Okay, now, so this is equal to x is equal to 1 by 4 log of 1 plus y by 1 minus y base 8. So in place of x, we can write down f inverse of y. After writing f inverse of y, we will change it into x. So f inverse of x is equal to 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x base 8. So this is your actually inverse function. But see, I have not written the options, but options are to the base e is there, base e. Okay, now how to change the base? How to change the base means, always remember, log a to the base b is equal to log a to the base e upon log b to the base e. So this is log a to the base b is equal to log a to the base e upon log b to the base. You can separate logarithms to both a and b and keeping the same base. So here also, so this is equal to 1 by 4 log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to the base e upon log 8 to the base e. Okay, right. So your final answer is 1 by 4 log of log 8 to the base e is equal to log e to the base 8 log of 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to the base e. This will be your final answer. Log of 1 plus x upon 1 to the base e is there. For that, I applied the change of base of logarithms. Okay. So very, very easy problem, direct problem. So everybody can easily understand this problem. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us start a new problem. So here one more problem is here. If g of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x and g2 of x means g of x. g3 of x means g of x means 3 times. It is a composite function. Like that, then the value of g of 2028 of x. That means g of 2028 means what? g of 2028 terms. Okay, now. So first g of x is given. Now I will find out g2 of x. Okay. So this is what happens. g2 of x means g of x. g of x means 1 upon 1 minus x. What is g upon 1 minus 1 by x means 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x. This 1 minus x will go in the numerator by. Here 1 minus x minus 1 plus 1 minus x cancel. This is x. So altogether x minus 1 by x. So g2 of x value is how much? x minus 1 upon x. g3 of x. g3 of x is equal to g of x. That is g of x value already we got. How much? No need to again find out. That is x minus 1 upon x. Okay, now right. Next, what is g of x minus 1 by x? Substitute here. 1 upon 1 minus x minus 1 upon x. Take x in the numerator. So here if you observe here, x minus x plus x minus will get cancelled. Minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus will remains. So this is g3 of x. Understand? So if you go on doing like this, Next to find out G4 of x, G5 of x, G6 of x. If you go on finding, again you will get G6 of x is equal to x. Understand? Why I am telling is, so if G3 of x is equal to x, no, what is G4 of x means? G of x. This is a G of x, that is equal to G of this. Already 3 times we find out G of x. G of x value is equal to how much? 1 upon 1 minus x. Again this problem started here. G2 value is how much? This is again new problem started, 1 upon 1 minus x. If you continue, next what you will get? G of x minus x is equal to how much? X you will get. G6 of G4 is over, no? Next what you will get? G5 what you will get? This, no? Next what you will get? G5 is, you will get this, x minus 1 by x. Again G6 of x, what you will get? Again x. That means what you observe here? 1 by 1 minus x, next x minus 1 by x, again x. One cycle repeated. Again 1 by 1 minus x, x minus 1 by x, again x. Cycle repeated. So the repetition is continuous. So if you observe, for 3 you are getting 6 x, for 6 you are getting 6. That means what? G3 you will get x, G6 you will get x. Next G7, G8, G9 of x. G9 of x also you will get x. If you go on doing the same cycle, that means ultimately the multiples of 3 always you will get x. Multiples of 3 you will get x. If you observe, 2028 is also a multiple of 3. Therefore, G of 2028 of x value is equal to how much? X. That is your final answer. Understand this? One cycle completed. So this is G1, 1 by 1 minus x. Next to x minus 1 by x. Next to x. G1, G2, G3. Again G4, 1 minus x. G5, x minus 1 by x. G6, x. That means these 3 terms are getting cycle wise. Okay na? So the 2028 also multiple of 3. Therefore you will get the answer x. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to another problem. So here f of x is equal to x plus 2 upon x minus 2. G of x is equal to x minus 2 upon x. Then find the domains of f circle G of x and the G circle f of x. Okay now. So generally students, majority of the students, they do mistakes here only. So I will tell you a very easy method to, without any confusion, you can do easily. Okay, now how? So before doing this, here the domains of f of x and G of x is not given. So first to find out the domains. So what is the domain of f? Set of all real numbers except 2. X minus 2 is not equal to 2. So x minus 2 or minus 2. What is the domain of G? Set of all real numbers except 0. Here denominator x is there, therefore there should not be 0. So that is separate. Now coming to first problem, f circle G of x. F of G of x. What is f of G of x? X minus 2 upon x. X minus 2 upon x. Now what is f of x? Now this will go here. F will take. So that is x minus 2 upon x plus 2 by x minus 2 upon x minus 2. Okay. Now calculate here. So this is a 2x, this is a 3x, 3x minus 2. So this is a 2x, 2x plus x, 3x minus x will cancel. So this is minus 2x. So this is a minus 2x, x minus 2x minus x minus 2. Altogether this is a 2 minus 3x by x plus 2. 2 minus 3x by x plus 2. So what is the domain? Not domain. So this f circle G of x is defined when the set of real numbers except 2. Minus 2, except minus 2. Understand? X plus 2. If you minus 2, if you write down minus 2, what happens? So here already we told the domain of f circle g of x is same as the domain of g of x, second term, okay. So I will draw the diagram also here. You can draw the diagram, very small diagram. F circle g means g first. This is g, this is f, so this is f circle g. So the domain of f circle g is same as the domain of g. Say that domain, here domain, so their intersection will be taken. So what is that intersection? So let us take the set of real numbers. So what is there? G except 0. So this is 0. You should not take 0. Okay. Here r minus minus 2. R set of real numbers minus 2. So this is minus 2. You should not take minus 2. That means here you should not take these two. Everything you can take. Okay, now everything you take. Here you should not take minus 2. Everything you can take. Everything you can take. What is their intersection part? What is this intersection part? Means minus 2 and 0 you should not take. Minus 2 and 0 you take. Therefore, what is the domain of f circle g is equal to set of real numbers except 0 comma minus 2. Set of real numbers except 0 comma minus 2. See here, except 0 everything you can take, except minus 2 everything you can take. What is their intersection part? Except 0 and minus 2 everything you have to take. Okay, na? So this is the domain of f circle g of x. Similarly, you can find out the second one, g of f of x. That is g of f of x means how much? X plus 2 upon x minus 2. What is g of x plus 2 upon x minus 2? Take that side. So this is x plus 2 upon x minus 2 minus 2 by x plus 2 upon x minus 2. So if you calculate that, so you will get here minus 2x, x minus x, here minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. Denominator is very, very important. So here x plus 2. Okay, now x minus 2 cancel. Here what is that? R minus minus 2. So r minus minus 2, and here what is the domain of f? So here you have to see the domain of f, r minus 2. So if you say this, if you write the number line, domain of r minus except that and this minus 2 comma 2. This is your domain. Understand this? Very, very easy problem. So while finding the domain of f circle g and the g circle f, don't get conclude from this here. So see the domains of g, their intersection part. Here also g circle f of x. See the domain of f of x, their intersection part. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. Find the inverse of the function y is equal to x square, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2x where x greater than 2. So generally, if this type of functions are called piecewise functions. That means what? From 0 to 2, the function is defined as x square, and more than 2, the function is defined as 2x. This is called piecewise. Piece means what? Partwise. So in previous all problems, generally we will take f of x is equal to x plus 3 where x is a real number. But here it is not there. It was divided into pieces. Okay, that's why it is called a piecewise function. For type of functions, how to do that, the problem is a very, very easy problem. So if you approach graphically, the problem will be very, very easy one. So let us draw the graph here. So here x-axis and y-axis. From 0 to 2, what is the graph of this function is y is equal to x square. Generally, what is the y is equal to x square graph is, you will get just like a parabola, but we are taking 0 to 2. That means this will be the parabola. Okay, now 0 to 2. Okay, now. So next is what? X greater than 2. X greater than means what? From 2 onwards, 2x. Y is equal to 2x is what? Y is equal to 2x is a straight line passing through origin. Actually, it will become here like this. So actually this will come here. So this is y is equal to 2x line. Okay, now, but we have to take x greater than 2 means this we won't consider. So this is the graph of that function, given function. What is that? From 0 to 2, y is equal to x square. From 2 to infinity, y is equal to 2x straight line. For this type of function, we have to find its inverse. So inverse means what? Y value we have to find out. So that means what this will value? If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. From 0 to 4. From 0 to 4. So I am telling f inverse of x is equal to 0 to 4, x less than or equal to 4. Y values you have to take. Y values you have to take. 0 to 4. See here, 0 to 2 you are taking, from 0 to 2 you are taking x square, x, here x square, x square, x square. That means what? If you are taking 1, 1 square. If you are taking 2, 2 square. If you are taking 3, 3 square. If you think in a reverse way, if you are taking 2, you are getting 4. If you are getting 4, if your element is 4, you have to get 2. Reverse the thing here. If you are getting 3, here if it is a 1, you are getting here 1. If it is a root 2, 1 by 2, here you have to get 1 by 4. If you think in a reverse way, what happens? 4 means root 2, 1 means root 1, 1 by 4 means root of 1 by 4. So this is your root x. Reverse. Okay, now here also x greater than 2. X greater than means 1. If your value is 4, what is here? 8. If your value is 6 here, for x, what is the image? 12. Think in a reverse way. Reverse way means if your 8 means you are getting 4. 12 means you are getting 6. 13 means you have to get 13 by 2. For example, 19 means you have to get here 19 by 2. That means here x by 2. For which x greater than 4. This is your inverse function. Understand this? So if you approach the graphical way and logical way, so if you have y, so y means f of x. So here y means f of x. So if for f of x is this, so if for f inverse of x is this. So this type of small problems, these are fundamental problems, basic level problems. If you practice these type of problems, you can do different, many more difficult problems also you can solve it. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class, and tomorrow's class with some more problems I will stand before you. Okay. So until then, all the best.